here at Epcot.
Good morning.
There is so much construction.
And a nice cool breeze.
Yeah, at least it's cool. We missed our first Fast Pass at 10:15 because we overslept.
Okay.
But yeah, we're gonna go check out Food and Wine.
Yeah, we'll go walk around.
Let's go.
Let's go see.
You wanna go get some Viking coffee? This is cool bread.
If you want to share the scoop bread. Okay.
So we just got our magnet mini, and we decided because we want to get the. So we're gonna come for the next three more times before the end of the festival. And I really want that Remy.
We're gonna be back for the Remy.
Yeah, I really want that Remy. Food Wine Festival. Thailand has marinated chicken, shrimp and cold noodle salad, red hot spicy Thai curry beef, same lager, this drink, and some reserve wine. Drip spiced chicken, quesito, red stripe lager, Cuban white sangria, and a frozen mojito.
Don't laugh at me.
Yeah, 1 second. My hands are full.
Yeah. It's just, I'm used to the guava inside.
Oh, they have the guava inside.
The guava's outside.
Oh, okay.
And the sauce is good. It's sweet.
So Mexico has taco de turkey, tostada de onions, pasta, and this is
By the way, hi. We got stuff.
bread. Nice coffee, like it just tastes like mousse.
Kind of mousse. Just like
Regular mousse. And there's like a little hint of lemon, but it's not.
overpowering.
Yeah. And like the crust on the bottom is like hard to break. I like the school bread.
School bread's always good.
Yeah, you can't go wrong. So China has Black Sea Spirit, chicken dumplings, which we're gonna get. Chicken and shrimp bao buns. You're getting the buns? Or the dump? Yeah, we're getting the chicken and shrimp bao, black pepper shrimp, boba tea, jasmine rasher, happy peach, kung fu punch. They got kung fu punch. Kung fu punch. By Joe punch. Year of the piggy and bottled water. The shrimp and chicken ball, right? And the melon boba tea. Look at the panda. I think Christy wants to try the pomegranate beer. She just ran to the line.
Oh,
It's good?
yeah.
It's better than the grapefruit one?
Yeah. It is. Oh, it's so
Is it
good.
like sweet or?
It's the same. It's a little tart, but it's like a little bit of. It's hard to. It's just really good.
So in Spain they have charcuterie and Spanish style paella, which I heard is not too good. Seafood salad. Some other ones I don't even try to pronounce.
Sausage?
It's like chorizo. It's a little spicy, but
It's straight up chorizo.
Oh, it's good though.
It looks like a giant piece of cheese.
Hard cheese.
Chicken bun and frosted ramen. And it has spicy raw. So frosted ramen. That was big.
And the bun.
So,
Teriyaki chicken in a bun.
Is that alcoholic?
It's instantly weird because it's cold. That's not bad. It's just like if you left it out for too long and it got cold. It's pretty much.
oh, it tastes.
Yeah. Oh.
So after an amazing trip to Orlando, Universal, Epcot, Magic Kingdom, Halloween Horror Nights, how was your birthday?
It was fun, thank you.
And she got New Year's.
Yeah, at the Costas. My brand new old ones.
But other than that, I think everything went pretty smooth. And
We got 3 bags of candy.
3 bags of candy. Not so scary. So if it's your birthday, it's gonna be your birthday when you come.
It's gotta be. Cause then you get double fist full of candy.
That one house, the Stitch Encounter, 1 bag of M&Ms. Mini M&Ms. Nothing special about it. And she was so proud putting that 1 M&M in my bag.
Whatever, man.
But it was a great trip.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem.
It was a lot of fun.
So now the long drive home. The 3-hour drive home. Let's do it.